Meanwhile, at the Constitutional Court of Korea today went on the impeachment trial against President Park Geun-hye. Now, key witnesses appear to testify on the whereabouts of Park in the immediate hours after a ferry sinking incident in April 2014. The court also heard testimony from witnesses that argued that Park administration have infringed on the freedom of the press by retaliating against media outlets reporting on Choi Soon-sil's inner circle. Ji-yeon reports.
During the fourth hearing in the impeachment trial of President Park Geun-hye, two people from the local daily Segye Ilbo, including its former chief, gave their testimonies regarding an exclusive report in 2014 that detailed Choi Soon-sil's ex-husband and his ties with senior presidential aides. The witnesses gave their accounts on how the daily obtained documents that led to the exclusive report and how the administration ordered various measures against the daily, such as tax audits and search and seizure raids following the publication of the piece. Also testifying was Yoo Hee-in, a former member of an investigative team that looked into the Sewol-ho ferry disaster and who cast doubt on a statement made last month by former National Security Advisor Kim Jang-soo. The ex-presidential aide Kim told a parliamentary committee that he tried to deliver the first report on the Sewol-ho ferry incident in written form to both the presidential office and the president's office, as he had no knowledge over the president's whereabouts at that moment. According to Yoo, such statement is difficult to believe because senior staff like Kim are very well acquainted with the president's daily schedule. Yoo also said that based on his 10 years with the presidential office of Cheongwade, the top office is able to relay information about emergency situations to presidential secretaries in a timely manner. The morning session featured the testimony of Presidential Security Office Administrator Lee Young-sun, who refused in spite of repeated warnings from the justices to reveal how many times, if any, Choi entered the presidential office, citing a confidentiality clause. Meanwhile, the president's lawyers are expected to submit additional records sometime next week regarding President Park's whereabouts on the day of the ferry sinking, as the evidence they presented were deemed inadequate by the Constitutional Court. Ji-yeon, Arirang News.